Here's a scrub plane. You have to keep this set kind of fine. Keep it set fine. I could actually, the way this is cutting right now, I could actually use this as a finish plane for this. So what it's doing right now is it's basically finish smoothing it. I mean, it's like glass. Like I said, I used this the other day and haven't sharpened it. Just trying to see how it's cutting. It's cutting pretty much in the middle. I don't know how much more aggressive I can go before it starts taking too big a bite. It doesn't chatter. Yeah, I could finish playing this space in no time with this. That's beautiful. This has got the regular Stanley iron in it. It's cut beautifully. Show you that. Hope you guys can, I hope this will do it justice. It's just perfectly smooth. So I could definitely finish playing this with that, or with a like of that plane. Let me see how long this video is getting. 35. All right, I'm going to stop this now and I'm going to restart another one.